Echo, we are redeployed at just about the office building.
Red team, do you want to try start swinging east towards our position? We need some backup here.
Echo.
Yeah, roger that.
Where's blue team position?
Okay, Hallie, hold there, mate. Let's just push in.
Friendlies of the building.
Echo, can you hear me?
Go ahead, Hippo.
Yeah, we are redeployed at just about the office building with Steve,
Roger.
Malo, and Eshna. What's your location?
We are grid ref 049965.
Are those friendlies
Copy.
in that building?
Yeah, friendlies in the building. Direct front.
Okay, roger that.
Keep pushing.
Hippo, how many re-inserts are
You was in the road. Come again?
How many of you are there? How many re-inserts?
We are 4.
Right, just keep trying to move north.
Truck directly in front.
If you check the pos mark on the map, that's where we are.
North, somewhere, northwest. That's where I got hit from.
Dave, we've got spawn 2 out here, it's best time to move.
Oh, Hallie's down.
Me.
Okay. Right, red team. Timothy, can you pick him up? And we'll fall back into that building behind us, the tall building behind us.
Yeah, hold on.
Can you see the Miller?
There's
Oh,
only
see somebody run past.
Oh god, what the f...
back.
Did you get hit as well?
Let me get him.
Holy fuck, man.
I got him. We have a truck
I got
driving around
teleported
here.
into the fucking building.
He's driving north.
Hallie up. That's it, nice one.
Might be faster
You're-
picking him up.
They pull back to that building then, guys.
Yeah, I just picked him up so I could pick them so I could pick him up.
With Eagles dead, I hear people.
BGS is a
Pulling
Truck
back into this building.
going northwest.
Come on, you're gonna be alright, man. Just stop eating all the patties, man.
Oh.
Alright. Join me there.
Miller, I'll cover you.
Up to that second building.
That's it. Back into this building here.
That truck stopped close, I don't know if it's been dealt with or not.
Okay, 3 seconds just moving down to it. Let's get in this building.
Well, this dash off right.
Friendly's coming in.
What? What 22
Echo 50 meters out to the marker. Roger that.
Spartan 3.
Alright, I'm gonna put him down here and I'm gonna medic him.
Yeah, try and medic. Pick him up.
I know.
All around security,
Yeah, I've only
red.
got 4 mags left.
Let us know what
I
position
am.
you
If
hold.
you saw how many people
Roundtree holding north.
Roger, let me know when you're on top.
Are they over there?
Come on, man, you're gonna be alright.
Which one? The brown one.
Oh shit, he's dead.
Is he on the northeast?
You're gonna be alright. No, he's dead.
Nah, man, there's
Oh,
nothing I
no.
could have done there, man. He's fucked. He got shot in the head.
Oh, bollocks.
Can we take his
He's
mags?
even got the same ammo as me. Damn it.
Oh, do you have a different gun?
Yeah, he's a different gun.
Ugh.
All they're saying, beaky pay here.
Nah. Try and keep your weapons, man. We can there'll be ammo somewhere.
The government will charge you for the weapons if you lose
Exactly,
them.
you can't lose your weapon, man.
Roger.
Oh,
You got a body bag.
contact north.
Go.
Running east.
Seeing if he's
in the
got
open.
stuff.
Got him.
Come on, Booze.
Any of you guys bring body bags?
Oh. More contact coming up from the north.
Right.
Good shot.
Be careful when we move
in
down.
this building, there's friendlies right at the top and moving down.
Yeah, careful guys. Okay, red, follow me.
Friendly's moving down.
Pushing north.
Watch out, some contacts. We're close up here.
Dun, dun.
Yeah, alright.
Oh,
Yeah, some people behind this building.
Watch the right hand side. He might run about.
David, yeah?
Yeah.
oh, that was too
Oh no, we got friendlies going around the right side.
Oh.
Guys, Dave's trying to
Contacts north-northwest. Infantry.
Right.
Good shot.
Got one.
That was Hallie's dead body. Coming in from the southwest.
In this building as well.
Alright, lads. Alright, 3 sec, there's one just here.
Oh, yes!
Remember, there might be someone on the back of this building somewhere, guys.
Medicing me.
I cannot get.
Okay, let's push up.
Oh!
Bones.
I'm coming!
Yeah.
Is Timothy yours? Because he's in this building. Just to let you know. Go ahead.
Yeah, he is.
What the fuck is going on, man?
Oh my god, are you alright?
I'm back.
Just randomly like.
Wanna clear, I
flew
think.
across the room.
I really want to check that building over to our left first.
Timothy!
Yeah.
Where you going, mate?
Dave!
I've got retro supply here.
Outside, mate.
Guys right near us.
Oh, Dave, you alright?
Oh.
Hey Bones.
Our building's been hit by red tracer fire.
Yeah.
Mind if we clear that building just right across the road from us
That
there,
means
just to make
it's
sure.
The blue
Right,
one.
green and blue,
Yeah.
let's stick together because we're not quite full fire teams, but keep moving north.
Yeah.
It's the guys.
Oh, guys behind, guys behind.
Just keep to cover. If we need to cross an open area, we'll do bounding with the fire team separately.
Reloading.
Keep an eye on northeast. Station says there's contact there.
Mate, stick with us, mate.
A jeep went past us, red, heading northeast.
Fuck.
Third team, just move to these buildings to our west and we'll
Yeah,
stick to
no,
them,
mate.
just so we're not out in the open too bad.
Oh, was that you?
Directly.
I
Shots.
might change to 1. Let's push
in
into
front
that
of the
building there.
Into the blue building?
Good.
Okay, ready to clear it?
Nice one. Yeah, clear this building, guys.
Okay, opening now.
He's down. Ah,
The
suppression.
door left.
Something wrong with Arma, I think.
This room's clear.
Main
Okay.
door still covered.
Right.
I got a car.
Nice one.
Yeah, I mean left
Good.
leg.
Building clear.
Packing bandage.
Will you travel through it or go out and around?
Should we change to a different channel, guys?
Yeah,
That'd be nice,
I
actually.
think
Just press
Yeah.
number 1 on your numpad.
Yeah, I had the same problem, man.
Yeah. Frequency 30.
I had nothing.
Ready to check.
Frequency 30, channel 1.
Passed out.
Yeah, leave it sharp.
Okay, so we're on 1 now.
Right, I think
Just press number 1.
Passed.
Whoa, yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Blaze,
I mean, really, yeah, that's better. 'Cause I can check the screen.
only from 4 feet.
Oh, taking fire. Holy crap.
I'll roll it.
One, and the one further behind.
Okay, I'm injured. You take me
Yeah,
out,
me
take
too.
Bones.
I told you to get down,
Oh,
bro.
Bones, you okay?
I'm up, so I'm
Yeah,
up.
I'm hit. Pull back into the building.
Yeah, into the building.
Told me to get down as I got hit.
Yeah, it's my brains anyway, so.
I told you to get down before for me. So,
Medical arm.
You killed me while I.
I've done
put some,
so much medicing today.
Yeah, so have I, man.
helicopter.
That's Ellie, sorry, I thought it was a gal.
yeah, you're all good now.
Go just fill me with morphine. Fixes
I
everything.
need some morphine.
Yeah, I've got morphine, man.
Oh, we found the missing
Alright.
patrol.
Found it. I need morphine as well.
Yeah,
Yeah,
task
I'll give
complete.
everybody morphine, don't worry about it.
Uh,
I'll get everybody high.
don't worry, I'll
No,
give
you
myself
got morphine,
morphine.
that's
What's the worst about giving double morphine?
Die.
I just
What
compensate
is-
with 1 epinephrine
Right,
for every
morphine.
2
It's
morphines.
good. I'm giving you now. I know you're good, Bones. You're good.
Should we check out the back door and just kind of go around?
Anyone see him?
Yeah, hang on.
That's from behind.
That's cool, Bones. You took all the bullets from me. It's totally fine.
Yeah.
I saw you get absolutely peppered, and I just took one in the arm and then passed out behind you.
User left your channel.
No, Big Al's our main medic as well. Ah. Right.
I only have about 2 mags, by the way.
So basically we've found the patrol, so we'll probably need to move out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm low on mags as well. I think I got 1 mag
Wait a
left.
sec.
I think just stick on semi-auto, pick your shots.
Yeah.
Because I fucking gave away half
Right
of my
guys,
ammo.
we need to start moving south.
Okay.
So let's move out south.
Objective according to the objective screen.
Okay, right behind you.
No, as in, look at your objective screen.
Find and rescue pilots.
There's still another objective.
We need to get some ammo, bones, man. Really fucking low.
Yeah, I could do with
I
some.
don't know, I don't have to, the other way to...
Let's just go into this building. I think they're in here.
I don't know if he was gonna
If
bother with
if we definitely if we're completely dry, I say we just pick up any weapons. It's the best we can do.
Okay, we've got contacts at each.
Fuck, did you get all these stairs?
Vault.
V.
Just bolt. Up them.
You up?
You can find blue and green from here.
Yeah, they're here.
Thanks, Hallie.
Oh, lads.
Bones, where's Echo and
Just
Which
a bit
way to
the
green?
east.
Grease? Copy that.
Doing okay, Hallie?
Can't believe you guys let me die.
We didn't
The
let
map
you
on
die.
went in the corner and
We
shot off
encouraged
the head,
it.
man. You couldn't even take in your ammo anyway, so it was pointless.
I know! How annoying
lads,
is
you might as
that?
well-
Oh wait, you had an M14? Damn, I should have
You've
taken it.
completed an objective.
You should have taken his
You
weapon, man. I know
can't
how you
take
love
this
that
shit. I'm a
M14.
marksman,
Put one
motherfucker.
down.
Fuck it, right.
You can't have my gun.
Your gun happens to be my favorite gun.
Where were they?
Hello, Bones.
That nearest... That nearest...
I guess,
north
I guess, yeah, contact
Log
north, east, it's friendly.
I know the brick...
Right.
Disengage, disengage.
Is his body sunk into the ground.
Could I see feet running past?
I hope they don't think each other are contacts and shoot each other.
That would be kind of funny.
Only spawn.
It'll be hilarious, but you know.
We can always go over and take their ammo once they've killed each other.
Exactly.
Guys,
Isn't
I'm
that-
thirsty.
isn't that a wee bit mean?
Zero, this is Bones.
I'm gonna go
Call the
like
Vex
half
for
a
you.
mag, man.
Thanks for making me
We
humble.
are in a building located on grid reference 047966
Spread
awaiting
out, yeah.
tasking.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2-0.
No,
Move to the
mission
right of
jump
these
on the roof.
buildings,
All
green,
spawn
we'll
to
just
now
keep the
recruits on
open
our
area
hospital.
Sorry,
covered.
cheers, Bones. I'm going for the roof.
User joined your channel.
This area is so much calmer now than it was like 10 minutes ago.
You're welcome.
Roger that.
Yeah, nice one.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh. There's been so much chatting over each other.
I know, yeah.
I mean, like, you can't blame the infantry because they can hear each other, but like, it's, I don't know, it's just somehow a lot worse than usual.
I need to turn the volume down on my radio.
Command net.
Yeah.
Two separate radios.
Slowly insane.
You need more than 2 separate radios, man.
Sorry,
How do you
repeat that.
turn it down?
You need like a different frequency for
No,
each
sorry, repeat
infantry
that.
unit.
Well, it doesn't mean stick with one frequency, but you know.
Copy.
Yeah, eyes on. Eyes on. Right, guys, we're gonna form up. Are we still getting contacts to our west, or is that just suppressing the enemy?
UAZ. UAZ coming in.
Right, guys, in a
Green
second.
fire coming.
Oh,
In a second, we're gonna form up. I mean, formation's not too straight, but
okay, USC dealt with.
Enemies heading to the rear to HQ.
That
yeah.
UAZ is...
Oh, they're dead. I apologise.
Yeah,
You
I got 'em.
guys are too good.
Right, guys, try and form up staggered column facing west. Red team up front, followed by blue, followed by green. Same as we were on the road.
Yeah, roger that.
Vehicles
Which
parked
road?
up northeast of the building.
We got this
Direct
back.
west. We're not on the road.
Are there any,
We got this back road here.
I'm just because we're so long. I'm just sticking in staggered, so we're a nice squat formation.
I've got no ammo.
User in your channel timed out.
He's in 556.
I think I've got to leave.
Right, guys, come on,
soon
staggered
anyway.
column.
Where's Hallie?
Red, then blue, then green.
I don't know. He gave out to us for letting him die and then he ran off. And I assume he's dead again.
Direct west. So although it's here for now, we'll go off it.
Yeah, it's in your vest.
Hello, Edge, if you
No,
can
no,
see
don't worry about it.
Hill 72 on the map. Grid reference
Steve, if you could cross the
044
left.
965. That's where we're going.
Nada.
Other direction, Steve.
Other left.
Other.
044
Oh, Euro coming in from the
965. Hill 72.
There's a truck on straight west.